ASAP Rocky, what up, my nigga?
Count down the armor.
Venrap.
Count down the armor. Get.
Venrap. Radio.
Welcome to the Venrap Radio once again. Nengazini ngazondiduka ndiswana ndimwana ndo amahongoni niri hey minjani we. I'm trying guys, I'm trying. Yo guys. Yeah. So when I spoke to these other guys, like I was trying to tell giants, you need to check out these, guys that also now what they do review music, they look at different things in the music and yeah. So they're like, come on. Nah man, we'll check it out, but come on. I'm like, okay. So if you're gonna check her out, they're like, no, can you do another video like where she was really singing? I'm like, okay, if you guys want me to drop something where she's really singing, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, bon. So I was supposed to do it on that other track, but okay, I'm still trying to find all the meaning on the song, like the words and what I know with Mavaba and Tokbaba and all that, but I wanted the whole message because some words were like, yo, going over my head. You see. So I didn't just want to do a song without understanding most of the things. So I was like, you know what? Even though I don't understand, but I will still do it on that track because the track now, it sounds too dope, man. Featuring Hennessy. Hennessy is someone that I think, how did I get to know Hennessy? Some guy was playing music and I just had to stop like, yo, dude, who the heck is that? Because damn, that guy also Hennessy is like Hennessy. Not Hennessy, alcohol. No, not Hennessy, nah, so Nibula Henny, C. Like Henny, you leave the space and C. Yeah, man. So it was Nomonde Rodger, the track called Mavaba featuring Hennessy, which talks about love and heartbreak and all that. But I still need to get more because that song, I really love it to a point that I need to understand every single aspect on that song. Yeah, but enough about that. So now there's a track where Tebza, the DJ, drops a track called Julieta, which features Nomonde Rodger. This is the Tonga piano, man. I'm talking about the Tonga piano. I don't know those people that have pressed the button of disliking the track or disliking the video. I don't know what they're eating. I don't know. But yeah, so let me play this track. The track, it's called Julieta. So on this track, this piano song, very nice, very dope. Tada's production. DJ Tebza the DJ. It's about a guy that doesn't have money, and the lady she want money, man. Ulava mali. And then yeah, man, the girl that wants money on the vocals is Nomonde Rodger, featured by Tebza the DJ. The track is called Julieta. So she's talking about how she can't stay in the relationship because the dude got nothing, man. Like the dude doesn't have money. She's just there in the relationship and she ain't getting what she wants. You know what I mean? It's something that we see happening these days. There's a lot of guys that are heartbroken because they can't afford they can't afford the maintenance, to maintain the chicks they're dating, to maintain the women they're married to, because some of the women just want crazy thing because you found the friend saying, hey, Gwena, Tina's pet my iPhone. Tina's in Hambanga Mini Cooper, as you can see on the video. Yeah, man. So she's saying, as you can see, the fridge is empty. So she wants someone that like got hustle, man. Is trying to do something, trying to make her life better. Because you see, even when she's trying to tell him that the fridge is empty, the dude is none it isn't gain. I don't get any mean. So yeah. So she's packing her bags because she's tired of the guy that didn't want to do anything. He's just always sleeping on this relationship because kushota mali in this relationship. Akuna mali, akuna sokuja, akuna sokushava sokuambala. So ambona so huma ule kufambeni because yabona. Tichomita yena tilo bomba iti iPhone tivabonisa ku hey, you gotta do this, man. You gotta get out of there and get me something, get me something. Let's have a car, I can't be. So she leaves him and she immediately goes to another guy who's the guy that owning the Mini Cooper. The guy trying to follow, and when he follows her, that's when that guy let into an next in fate and then throw some cash. So guys, I think this video is supposed to have already reached 100,000 or over million views, man. I think we're not doing enough for this video. We're not doing enough for this track because this is one hell of a track. And I'm hoping this track will land on TV, man. This video should land on TV, you know, because also the choreographing, the directing, everything looks perfect, man. It's clean, it's simple, it's nice, it's dope. I don't know if this time we saw Alex, but yeah, I think it looks like somewhere in Josie. Yeah, I don't know. But man, Julieta wants money. Julieta wants to be treated nice. Ulava mali Julieta. Like I told you guys, she got what a melodic voice. She's good at what she does. She can sing, man. You know, and she's not trying to follow somebody's steps. She's creating her own path, man. She's giving us a unique voice, a unique style of singing, something that you really enjoy. Not copying someone, not trying to sound like somebody, but just sound like her. Being original and proud and staying true to yourself, man. I'm liking even the kids doing some dance style there. Yo, so make sure that you check out this video. This is the Higher Table Podcast, entertainment side of things, and the Venrap Radio. You gotta come and dance, you know, with us here on this track, man. This is some December kind of vibe thing, already to take you to that different place, man. It will put you in that space where you just want to have fun, you know. So yeah, man, Bari, Milava Mali, and it's a relationship, yeah? So, Urin. Man, it's hard for guys out there, man. Because, some girls just want, that life, you know, and they want you to take care of them. Yeah, man. But again, as guys, they need to stand up and hustle, because in this video shows that guy just sit, man. Because the fridge is empty, you sleeping there. Yeah, man. Tebza the DJ, thanks for this one. Way dope, man. I like it, I love it, and I'm hoping to see more of this stronger piano music, you know, having more some vibe. Yo. Man, I'm going back to start attending events. I can't wait for the events, you know, yeah, close, but that I can attend. I'm talking about the one that have some tonga, like, because we need to, guys, one thing, Limpopo, let's book everyone, man. We need to have these guys being booked. Because the event is venda. We need to have booked. Let's book each other, man. This is dope. We need to showcase Limpopo's talent, man. Let's not just have a small circle of this we book only, because this talent needs to be seen out there. Tebza the DJ, Julieta featuring Nomonde Rodger. I give it thumbs up. I love it. I'm out of here. Zone. Take care and make sure that you stay safe. But this is the Venrap Radio. Born.
Little drawing going, you know? Yeah. That's what it is, man. Word up, A$AP Rocky. What up, my nigga?
Count down the arm. Count down the arm again.